Are you thinking of starting your own online affiliate marketing business? Today we're going to talk about something that's crucial to affiliate marketing, and that is why is it that some affiliate marketers fail. There are a lot of stories of successful affiliate marketers, no doubt, but there are a lot of affiliate marketers who still struggle and they stumble across the way along the way of becoming a successful marketer. And this is what this video is all about. I'm going to share with you some of the common stumbling blocks that affiliate marketers go through. So just know that if you're starting your journey, that you may experience this along the journey, and it's normal for you to experience it. The important point is not to give up, realize what is going on, and then carry on further from there. My name is Rupesh, and it's a pleasure to welcome you to this channel, Passive Income for All. Okay, now before we get started, we're talking about the stumbling blocks. Let's quickly recap what's affiliate marketing all about. It's simply where you, the matchmaker, so you connect people who are looking for products and services that can fulfill their needs, and in exchange for that, you get paid a handsome commission. So you essentially the middle guy, bringing the two parties together, and that's what affiliate marketing is in a nutshell. We do it all the time. Only difference is when it comes to the world of online business, we are actually getting paid for our recommendations, and we can use many channels, many different social media channels, a website, and we can even use paid advertising, and there's a lot of benefits to affiliate marketing. But that's affiliate marketing in a nutshell. Now let's talk about some of the stumbling blocks. I'm sure you must have seen some of those sales videos where you see people driving those really posh cars and owning those fantastic houses. And many affiliate marketers jump into thinking that it's a ticket to getting rich quickly. And the truth is that you can earn money while you sleep. However, it's very much different when you're starting affiliate marketing, because at the end of the day, affiliate marketing is just like any other business. It requires time, it requires dedication and effort, and it's not a get rich quick way. Just because people feel that it's online, automatically you're going to get profits quicker, and it doesn't really work that way. The next stumbling block is not having a clear-cut strategy. Think of it this way. Let's just say your business is like you sailing and you don't have a map or a compass. So it's going to make it very hard for you to get to where you want to go. Am I right? And this is why many affiliate marketers fail, because they don't have a clear-cut strategy. They do not understand who their niche is. They don't know who their target audience is. They don't even know how they're going to go about promoting affiliate products. So if you have a well mapped out strategy, it's going to serve as your compass, and it's going to guide you through the vast sea of the amazing opportunities that are out there for you as an affiliate marketer. Okay, so you often heard the line that Rome was not built in a day, and the truth is the same for your affiliate marketing business. It's not going to get overnight success. Impatience can definitely sink your ship. If you get no results, you're going to start getting frustrated. Then you're probably going to say to yourself, whatever I'm learning, it doesn't work. Then you're going to start looking at other things, and many people fall into the trap of the shiny object syndrome. That's where they start looking at other programs or other ways of making money online, and they lose track of the importance of sticking with your business. The truth of the matter is affiliate marketing does take time for it to gain momentum, and patience here is the anchor that's going to keep you steady during the waiting game. It will gain momentum and you will get results. You just gotta be patient. The next stumbling block is ignoring the importance of learning. Let's look again at our analogy of the sailing. Imagine you set to sail, but you don't know how to navigate. And that's the same thing with your online business. Learning and updating your knowledge in this ever-changing digital world is crucial. The landscape of affiliate marketing changes rapidly, and having said that, you need to update yourself with the latest trends, the tools, the strategies. It's going to act as your compass to your success as an affiliate marketer. So speaking of updating yourself with the latest knowledge, if you want to learn on how you can get started, then you can check out my #1 recommendation. It's a training platform that has been around for 18 years. And if you are brand new to affiliate marketing, I highly recommend you check them out. You can click on the link that is in the video description. Let's go on to the next stumbling block. The next stumbling block needs no introduction. It's of course the fear of failure. The fear of failure can often be quite paralyzing. It's what holds aspiring affiliate marketers back. But remember, behind every single lesson and behind every single failure, there is a lesson to be taught. Now remember, failures is always a stepping stone to success. So embrace the failures, learn from them, and allow them to propel you forward. The last stumbling block is of course trust. Trust is the foundation of your affiliate marketing business. Recommending products and services without credibility can sink your ship. At the end of the day, it's just not about your business, it's about your reputation. And having trust in your business is like building a sturdy vessel. Be honest, provide value, and only recommend products that you truly believe in, and you will see your affiliate marketing business will stand the test of time. And there you have it. Affiliate marketing is an exciting journey, but just like any other journey, it's not without its challenges. Recognizing these common pitfalls and learning to navigate through them will ensure that you have a much more smoother ride. If you enjoyed this video and you found it helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for further insights into the world of affiliate marketing. This is Rupesh, and I'd like to thank you for checking out this video. I'd like to wish you everything of the best in your online success. Stay inspired and stay empowered. Until next time, take care.